Hey guys, it's KRISHGAMEHACKER. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to record through OBS. So as you can see, streaming and doing YouTube has kind of become the mainstream nowadays because of the lockdown and stuff, and everyone's getting into YouTube and Twitch. So most of you don't like streaming. I mean, people who do not like streaming try to record, and there are many free recorders out there, but they kind of suck. And today in this video I'll be showing you how to use OBS for recording. So as you see, I actually use the Stream Elements version of OBS, but it's just normal OBS. It has some extra plugins, but this tutorial will be showing you only the basics of the OBS and how to record through it. So whenever you launch up OBS, you'll get this screen. You'll be greeted with a black screen over here. You'll see some buttons over the side, some transition written over here, audio mixer, sources and scenes, and you have your basic toolbar over there on top. So to actually capture stuff, you have to have a source. So what's our first source? We need something which captures our display. So here you have to decide whether you want to record a video, I mean like a window, a game, or your whole display. So imagine you're trying to record a game. So all you have to do is go to game capture, and let's capture any full screen application, and that's that. Okay, so it will capture our game audio, but not our mic. So let me just, okay, there's no audio source over here. See, there's no audio source at the moment. We have to add audio sources. So all we have to do is go with this plus icon and the sources, and let's add a audio output capture. So this will be our speaker. So whatever we hear is the thing which is going to capture. So we added our audio output capture. Currently you can't see anything because there's nothing playing in the background. For example, I'll just play a small clip. Give me a sec. As you can see that bar. Okay, let's decrease that to. So as you can see, this is the tone you can see, so which means it's showing audio output. So that's how you capture your game output sound. And then to add your mic, you have to go to audio input capture, and we'll name that to mic. So as you can see me speaking, you can see the thing spiking up to yellow. So to have optimal settings of your voice, always keep your voice at yellow and have your speaker about this much, because you always want to keep your speaker below, like lower than your mic, and your voice should be empowering the game's audio. That's how you want to configure your stuff. And now you basically have everything for a game session, and you hit record. Not so fast. We have a few things to configure before going into record. So see, so default settings of OBS is kinda like this. As you can see, output, that bitrate is very low, which is same as stream, so that's very low. And you can see it's outscaled at 720p. So I personally recorded at 1080p, so that's 1080p. And you have to change this value to 60 fps because, you know, smooth gameplay. So let's apply that. So now I'll be recording at 1080p 60 fps. But what about the quality? You have to go here and you have to change this thing, or we can go and change this to let's go with our advanced. Okay, so go into output mode, change it to advanced. So after you change it to advanced, we have different tabs over here. So let's go to recording, because we'll be recording in this session. So kind of have this at MKV, because there's an advantage between MKV and MP4, which is MKV if you have a power loss, or if your OBS crashes in the middle of something, you'll always able to recover the file. But if it is MP4, you'll lose the whole file. So always record as MKV and convert it later. to change the encoder settings to NVEC. If you are using Nvidia's graphic card, then go for NVEC, that's the best. Otherwise just go for x64. Just if you have graphic card, if you have the Nvidia graphic card, just go for NVENC. That's the best option you have there. And after that you get these options. So I recommend you guys to use like above 6000 bitrate. I personally use 8000 for OBS recordings because that's kind of the middle, not too high or not too low. Just go for 8000, or you can go ahead and tweak according to your liking, and you basically have everything set up for recording. But some people like to have their mic and their speaker separate audio tracks. So here's the thing, we can have these as separate tracks. So all you have to do is go in this, click on the audio mixer and click on the mic, then you go to advanced audio properties. You can see there are a bunch of tracks over here. So this tells us that this mic is going to be recorded on track 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So we don't want this on mic 1. So our mic will be recording on track 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our speaker will be recorded on only 1. So this means we have our speaker at track 1 and our mic at track 2. That's great, let's start recording. Now you still have one more thing to do. Go to settings, then go to output and audio. Okay, not audio, recording. Let's go to recording and you can see the thing called audio track. So it's currently only 1, which means it's going to only record the speaker according to our settings. You have to enable second track and click apply, and okay, that's good. You did it. Okay, let's just hide that and just do a display capture to show you how this works. Display capture and boom. As you can see, this shows my display. If you have 2 screens, you can find 2 displays over here, and that's okay. And you can see that's everything configured. Let's go, and before doing one thing, you can also do one thing to save your resources. If you're on a low end PC, just click on this, right click and disable preview. This can save you a lot of resources if you're streaming. I don't know if it affects a lot of recording, but it's good to save some resources for your game. And press record. So I'm recording at the moment. I'll be showing you the footage which I recorded in the video. This footage will be completely from the OBS recording. So whatever you hear from this recording or see from this recording is all from OBS. So this is the quality you see in OBS with 8000 bitrate at 1080p 60 fps settings. And so that's that, and stop recording. So that's how you record basically through OBS. I hope you like the tutorial. Please leave a like, subscribe, and you can also check out my Twitch channel. I stream every other day. I stream games. I do some design tutorials on stream. Go ahead, check out my channel. Link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.